Water labor, the hydroponic way of gardening. The purpose of this experiment was to find the fastest and most efficient way to grow plants. Millions of people worldwide lack food and water, which are two of a human's basic needs. Hydroponics can solve these problems. Hydroponics uses 95% less water and is proven to produce plants that are bigger and grow faster. Almost any medium can be used, from gravel to scrap metal to styrofoam. Little to no work is required after the initial setup, and maintenance requires little effort or skill. Hydroponics is the process of growing plants in sand, gravel, or liquid with added nutrients but without soil. It works by bringing nutrients to plant roots in a nutrient solution. Water and soil may release some nutrients in it, but hydroponics provides all of the necessary nutrients. The question in this experiment is, what is the effect of the hydroponic growth method on the growth rate of basil versus traditional farming? 3 different hydroponic growth mediums are used: sand, gravel, and only nutrient solution. The control group in this experiment is the traditional soil method. The hypothesis is, if basil is grown hydroponically, then the basil will grow faster than in traditional soil farming. The independent variables in this experiment are the growth mediums and whether or not a nutrient solution is used. The dependent variable is the growth rate of the basil plants. Some controls in this experiment include the type of basil used, amount of light, amount of nutrient solution in water, time allowed for growth, and the size of the tube. The materials needed for this experiment are a ruler, test tubes, soil, sand, gravel, seed baskets, 1 pack of basil seeds, test tube stands, support rods, General Hydroponics Floor Grow, 2 fluorescent light bulbs, and a 946 milliliter container. The basil seeds must germinate in paper towels. Then the hydroponic seeds would be put in seed baskets and go into the sand, gravel, and nutrient solution tubes, which would be filled with 60 milliliters of either sand, gravel, or only nutrient solution. The traditional seeds go directly into the soil and watered with about 40 milliliters of water, and the hydroponic tubes would be filled with 40 milliliters of nutrient solution. The heights of the plants should be recorded each week at the same time. The results of this experiment prove the hypothesis correct. As shown in the graphs and data tables, the hydroponic basil's growth rates gradually increased as the traditional basils remained at a steady rate. The effect of the hydroponic growth method on a plant is that it speeds up the rate of growth.